Hello everyone, I hope you have understood the chapter 7 writer 1 very well and you have practiced all the commands at home. Now today we are going to start chapter 8, which is writer 2nd. We are going to learn about some of the advanced feature of OpenOffice Writer. Today I'll show you that how you can create a bulleted and numbered list. So I am writing here bulleted and numbered list in writer. So what is bulleted and numbered list, students? Bulleted and numbered list are the list in which you write some of the items which are represented in bullets or numbers. So for doing this, for writing the any particular, you can say, text or paragraph in bullet or numbered form, we have to switch on the bullet from the formatting toolbar. The option is present in the formatting toolbar. So this is our formatting toolbar, you can see here. So we will go to the bullets and numbers. You can see the shortcut key is shift plus F12. So you will click on this bullets. Now you can see that I got the bullet here. If you are not able to see, let me increase the size. Now the bullet is available. Now if I want to write something, I'll start writing. Suppose I'm writing the features of OpenOffice Writer in bullets. So I'm writing here easy to use. Then I'm writing another feature which is mail merge. I'm writing another feature which is spell check, and then another feature which is formatting features, so editing features. So these are the features of OpenOffice Writer I have written in the bullets. You can see as soon as you complete one text and press enter, automatically the next bullet will come. Alright, so now suppose if I want to write something in numbers, so what I have to do, I have to switch on the numbered list from here. So you can see that also you will find out in the formatting toolbar. So I have switched on the number, so the number 1 has came here. Now I'll write the different kind of operating system here. So suppose I have written now Windows, Linux, Unix, Android. So these are the operating system. So this you can see that automatically when I have press enter, after 1 it is the number changed to 2. So this is very helpful for writing the any kind of document, creating any document in OpenOffice Writer. So you must be giving exams also. You can see that in exams many for designing the paper we use this software only, and this or MS Word, because it gives us many features to give the bullets, numbering, insert a table, many things are there which is very helpful for creating the question paper by the teachers. So this is how you can create the bulleted and numbered list. Now let us see that what is nested list. Nested list, it means a particular list is created inside the list. One list inside another list is called as nested list. Now suppose for creating a nested list we must have that kind of points. So I am writing here the different text here. I am writing here hardware, and then I am writing here software. So these need, for creating a nested list you need to create a bullet list first. So I have created a bulleted list here, hardware and software. Now suppose if I want to write the types of hardware inside that hardware text which is written over here, and I want to write the types of software which is written here. So what I will do, I'll create a bulleted list first of all. So I'm writing the types of hardware here. So the part of the computer which is called as hardware, let's write that monitor, keyboard, mouse. Alright, and I am writing the parts of software as well. Operating system, right, antivirus, clean master. Suppose I have written these 3 softwares also. Now to make it as represented as a nested list, what you have to do, you have to select the parts of hardware which you have defined, select it, click, do a right click and click on down one level. So you can see now it is represented inside the hardware. This is how the nested list is created. If you want to change the number of it, you can represent it in a number also. Go to the formatting toolbar, click on numbering. Now here we will do the same with this operating system, antivirus and clean master. I have selected this and then I have done a right click, down one level, then I have gone to number. So you can see that this is how you can change the, you can say, the kind of the nested list, how it is represented in front of the people if you have created. So automatically the number changes or the bullets change. Just you need to take the help of formatting toolbar. Everything is present here, or you can do a right click if you want to do further formatting. Okay, now let us see that how we can format these numbers and list items. If you want to change the color of it, if you want that the bullet symbol should be something different, or in 1 2 3 I want to give a Roman number here. So what you need to do, you just need to click it, select that particular item which is represented in bullet, go to the, do a right click, go to the numbering and bullets option. You can see that there are different kind of bullets styles given over here. Suppose I am clicking on this, I'll click it and click OK. So you can see that automatically the bullet is changed. If you want to change the color of it, you can go ahead and again go to the numbering and bullets. You can select here and see that there are many options given here in bullets. In numbering type, the numbers are given here. You can change it to numbers also. Roman numbers are also there. ABC is also there in capital and small both. And if you want to create a bulleted nested list like this, that inside the operating system, again you want to write the type of operating system, inside the antivirus you want to give a type of antivirus. So you can keep on creating this. You can go to the graphics option where you can click these kind of graphics to change the bullet styles. You can select the position as well, and in the options you can give the option of your own also. If you want to create the you can see that ABC is given here. In starting, the level is starting from 1. If you want to start it from D level, B level and C level, so if I click here, so you can do that as well. Okay, so this is how you can select the different kind of list. And if we want to change the color of it, you can just go here and change the color of the text in the formatting toolbar. If you want to change the color of the list which is nested, you can go here, select it and go here and change it. So this is how you can do the different kind of formattings with the list which is present over here. I hope you have understood this, and now you practice all these things at home. If there will be any problem, you can get back to me, and till then stay safe. Thank you so much.